Hello, math thinkers. Ready to see who came today? If you are in room 102, please put a check in the air. If you are from room 103, please put a check in the air. If you are from room 104, please put a check in the air. If you are from room 171, put a check in the air. And if you are someone from 206, please put a check in the air. Thank you and welcome to Math Lessons! I've been doing the room numbers in order in the building, but I might not do that every day. So be listening for your room number. Okay, we continue with our measurement unit. Measurement and data is the two parts of the unit that we're studying. Measurement, and then we have week of data for next week. Okay, we moved from the linear measurement, but please remember how to do that because you'll need it for the rest of your life. Next, we're moving on to weight. Let's just take a look back and remember the three types of measurement that we're focusing on. Length, how long something is, the distance from one end to the other. We did that the last 3 days. Weight is the focus for today. The measure of how heavy an object is. You could say how heavy or light an object is. That's today's work. And capacity, the amount of space an object fills, or the volume. Okay, and so there's some vocabulary we need to pay attention to when we talk about weight. In the United States, the United States customary, or U.S. customary standards, uses these measurements. Ounce. It's a unit of measurement. It's a small unit of measurement. Food very often is weighed in ounces. Pound is a standard measurement used to measure weight. That's a little bit heavier. Weights can be 10 pounds. Students could be maybe 45 or 55 pounds. Sugar is measured in the United States in 5-pound bags very often, or 10-pound bags. Pound. You've heard of that. If you go to the doctor's office, they're weighing you in pounds. That's the unit of measurement. Ton is a standard measurement used to measure big weights. Like an elephant, a male elephant can weigh 6 to 8 tons. A ton is 2,000 pounds. So you might measure animals that are huge, or cars, or tanker boats, or tanker trucks. When we switch to the metric unit, gram is the standard unit of measurement. Like one of our base 10 cubes that we use when we're doing the 100s and the place value and the T numbers, one of those is about a gram. It's a metric measurement used to measure weight. The gram is the basic, and then kilogram is the next level of measurement up in metric, and kilogram is close to a pound in weight. So people's weight in Europe or other parts of the world, they would be measured in kilograms, or large amounts of food would be measured in kilograms. Okay, let me show you the pages that I have ready for us to work on. Not until I sing first. Okay, let's sing first. With new words? Yes, with new words. Ready? Weigh and measure, oh what fun, oh what fun, oh what fun. Weigh and measure, oh what fun, weigh and measure. Words. Ready? Weigh the ounces, weigh the pounds, weigh the tons, oh what fun. Weigh the carrots, weigh the grams, weigh and measure carrots. Carat is a unit of measurement that is so very minute or tiny. It's used very often to measure incredibly lightweight things. I hear it most often used when people are measuring diamonds or precious jewels. They'll say it's a 2-carat diamond, which means it is of a certain size. Too small to even be weighed in ounces or grams. Try it again. Weigh and measure, oh what fun, oh what fun, oh what fun. Weigh and measure, oh what fun, weigh and measure. Weigh the ounces, weigh the pounds, weigh the tons, oh what fun. Weigh the carrots, weigh the grams, Weigh and measure. Okay, I think this is the order of our pages. This one. Weight. It shows a scale up here, a type of measurement that's used in other parts of the world, whether you don't have the scales that you stand on. I have one of those, so I should bring that back to show you. Maybe tomorrow I'll show you before we do capacity. And this page, relatively clear, might be simple. There's 6 different boxes with 2 pictures in each one. 2 is a pair, remember? Pair of something, pair of socks, pair of pants, pair of shorts. 2 things. There's 2 things for you to look at and compare and think. Okay. I'd like you to get 2 color markers. Please get blue and orange. Or crayons are okay too. Now, when we did some of our 100 work, we would color boxes that had the numeral that was the largest or the greatest. We color those blue. I'm going to switch that to now blue means heavy, more, greatest. Remember the other color was orange. We did some math work with that. We would color the box that with the numeral that was the least, smallest amount. And so on this page, the directions say circle the object that is heavier. It's a comparison. You can say something is heavy. This book is heavy. That box is heavy. But if you say something like heavier or lighter, you introduce the idea of comparison. And to say it accurately and correctly, you need to say heavier than or lighter than. You have to establish the comparison and then finish it. So I could say this box is heavy. Okay. But if I say this box is heavier, well, heavier than what? Heavier than my brother? Heavier than my cat? Heavier than the last box? Than the. So we're going to do that on this page. Changing the directions, 2 colors. Orange for least or lighter. Blue for heavier or greatest. And so you look at each pair. You have to think about it because you can't measure them unless you want to go and find them around the house and see if you can measure them. If not, then you're just noticing. Okay, a container of glue, full, or a leaf. So thinking in your head right now, container of glue or a leaf. Leaf or a container of glue, full. With your orange, draw a circle, geometry word, around the picture that you think is the least or lightest weight or lighter than what? Lighter than the other. Orange. Finished. Blue. Blue. The blue will be the color to put a circle around the object that is greater in weight or greatest in weight of the 2. The object that is heavy. The object that is heavier. Heavier than what? Heavier than the other one. And then draw a blue circle around that one. And then show me. Is that what you did? The glue is heavier than the leaf, and the leaf was lighter than the glue. Later, when the video is finished, then you can keep going with the other 5 boxes. Okay? Now, the second page looks like this. And again, you are comparing heavier and lighter. It's a pair of things. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different pairs. Let's practice counting by 2s. That's a good old skill to remember. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Good. If you can count by fours, you could do that. 4, 8, 12, 16. Now on this page, you'll do the same thing. The directions, I'm going to change a little bit. For this one, it's which one weighs more and which one weighs less, but I really think that doing this gives you the best knowledge practice. Lighter, heavier. Weighs less, weighs more. Got it? Check. Oh my gosh! I wonder how this page works. I've never seen a page like this before. Why, there are pairs of things. How interesting. Pair means two, not pair. Let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Lovely. Can you count by fours? Skip counting by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. Same job. Extra practice because we only have one day. There's only one day to do measurement with weights. Can you still see me? Okay. Happy measuring. Let's sing one more time. Okay, let's. Weigh and measure, oh what fun, oh what fun, oh what fun. Weigh and measure, oh what fun, weigh and measure. Now our new words. Weigh the ounces, weigh the pounds, weigh the tons, oh what fun. Weigh the carats, weigh the grams, weigh and measure.